guess what? You guessed it. I don't know what to say. I didn't know what to say. I didn't know what to say. Well, today's another day, and I'm going to make a drink called a Troubadour because it's a drink that I've seen someplace. I got it in a bar one time when we went to Guam. That's not true. I've never been to Guam.
Yeah, I was going to say, when were you there? Where was I?
You were out with your girls.
Oh,
and I was out with the guys.
Oh.
It was a bachelor party.
And you flew to Guam.
I flew to Guam for the afternoon. We just flew there for the afternoon. Let me give you my shout outs. I'm going to give 2 shout outs because I give shout outs, try to give shout outs every week. And if I miss anybody, just put it in the comments. Hey, give me a shout out and I'll give you a shout out. I enjoy giving shout outs because I like helping my fellow YouTube members. So my shout out today is going to be Slice of Life. Mindy over there, Slice of Life, she does a hell of a job. And she's always commenting on my stuff, and I enjoy her cooking. And another one is Tiki Drinks at home. He makes good tiki drinks, but he makes them at home like I do. I should call Tony Drinks at home. I drink at home all the time. I'm a cocktail drinker. And my joke of the day. It's a Little Johnny joke. You know Little Johnny, right? You heard of Little Johnny before, Karen? Oh, Little Johnny's so bad. Yeah. He says to the teacher, can you tell us about whales? And the teacher says, well, whales are very huge mammals, but it's impossible for them to swallow a human being. Little Johnny says, that's not right, teach. And he says, the whale swallowed Jonah. Remember the whale swallowed Jonah?
Yes.
The whale swallowed Jonah.
Yeah.
And the teacher says, like I told you, Johnny, whales have a very small throat. They're big animals, but they cannot swallow a human being. Little Johnny simply says, well, when I go to heaven, I'm going to ask Jonah. And the teacher says, well, what if Jonah goes to hell? And the Johnny says, well, why don't you ask him when you go? That's my
cute.
joke of the day.
That was cute. Yay!
Yay, yay, yay. Okay, so my drink of the day is going to be, well, this one's a big one, isn't it? I'm going to put a ½ an ounce of lemon juice. ½ an ounce of lemon juice. ½ an ounce of simple syrup. It's simple. It's simple. It's simple syrup. ½ an ounce of simple syrup. ½ an ounce of apricot brandy. It smells good. It smells so good. I like apricots and I like brandy. I like apricot brandy, I guess. Whoop, wrong one. 1½ ounces or maybe 2 of gin. Let's do 2. Why not? Why not do 2? What's an ounce and a half got to do with it? Just add another ½ an ounce. And this is some Asti Spumante, Moscato, 1.5 ounces. And some ice, and you shake that puppy up. Read the sign, read the sign, read the sign. Are you reading the sign? Read the sign. And here we go. You better like this one. I got a frosted martini glass here from James Bond's last movie. To live to die another day. Was that a movie? I don't know.
I don't know.
That's excellent. That's an excellent drink. Will you just look at it? It's an excellent drink. And you know what I forgot? You know what I forgot?
Your mask.
My mask. Okay, well, I'm just going to say it. Get a vaccination because this stuff is growing. Here in Colorado, we have problems. We've been on national news in Colorado about people in the hospital. And they're croaking. The ones that have no vaccine, they are croaking. So get a vaccination. And if you don't get a vaccination, wear a mask wherever you go. Just, even if you have a vaccine, wear a mask. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.